Understanding 3D Print Tolerance, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic in the world of technology and design: 3D print tolerance. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone interested in 3D printing, whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just curious about how things are made. So, let's dive into what 3D print tolerance means and why it's important. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is the process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. It involves adding material layer by layer to build an object. This innovative technology is used in various fields, including medicine, engineering, and fashion. The key to successful 3D printing lies in precision and accuracy, which brings us to the concept of tolerance. Tolerance in 3D printing refers to the acceptable amount of variation in the physical dimensions of an object. It's the difference between the actual measurements of the printed object and the measurements specified in the digital model. Tolerance is measured in units, typically millimeters or inches. Tolerance is crucial for several reasons. Fit and function. It ensures that parts fit together properly and function as intended. Quality and aesthetics. It affects the quality and appearance of the final product. Cost and time efficiency. Proper tolerance levels can save materials, time, and money by reducing the need for additional processing or adjustments. There are different types of tolerance to consider, including dimensional tolerance. This relates to the size and shape of the object. Geometric tolerance. This involves the object's orientation and position in 3D space. Material tolerance. This considers the material's behavior, such as shrinkage or expansion, during and after printing. Improving tolerance involves optimizing design. Design with tolerance in mind to accommodate potential variations. Choosing the right material. Different materials have different properties that can affect tolerance. Calibrating your printer. Regular maintenance and calibration ensure consistent and accurate results. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of 3D print tolerance and its significance in the world of 3D printing. Remember, achieving the right tolerance is key to creating high-quality, functional, and aesthetically pleasing objects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, understanding tolerance is a step in the right direction. Thank you for watching, and happy printing! This structure should provide a clear and engaging way to explain the concept of 3D print tolerance to English language learners, breaking down complex technical terms into understandable segments.